Good evening, my guys. I'm Falguni ma'am. I'm telling questions to my student Pratyush Ghosh. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. What is the capital of India?
New Delhi,
Good. What is the capital of Pakistan?
Islamabad,
Very good. What is the capital of Afghanistan?
Kabul,
Very good. What is the capital of Nepal?
Kathmandu,
Wow, very nice. What is the capital of Bhutan?
Thimphu,
Good. What is the capital of Bangladesh?
Dhaka,
Oh, very nice. What is the capital of Sri Lanka?
Colombo,
Thank you very much. What is the capital of China?
Beijing,
Very nice. What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok,
Very nice. What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Thank you very much. You have got 10 upon 10.
Thank you.
Thank
ma'am.
you. Okay, bye.